Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use a suction tool like this one. It has three additional accessories, rubber accessories. The shorter one is for the colored. The longer one is for the black. This one is for the adjustment if you are going to use it on shorter cartridges. You need to slide it here. Okay, that's it. Just slide it there or snap it on. But if you are going to unclog taller ink cartridges like this one, you won't need this. Okay, so if your cartridge is, not showing any ink or very little ink, it is probably so clogged up. So what we're going to do is we're going to forcefully put out the clog by sucking the ink from this cartridge using this ink suction tool. So how to use this is get the longer rubber. There's a hole underneath it and at the top. Just slide it, put it here, put it there, and slide this cartridge. Just make sure they're aligned. Okay, once they're aligned, just slide it to keep it locked. Okay, it's locked. Now the next thing we're going to do is to use this syringe to push out those cloggings by putting the end of this syringe into that small hole. Just put it there, and if there's a slight gap in there, air might escape, so just hold it like that and then start sucking ink. That's sucking. Sorry. As you can see, some inks are now coming out of it. Okay, so let's try to see if there would be some improvements. Just pull this out. So there it is. and wipe off the mess. As you can see now, there is now some ink that's coming out, though it's not that impressive. You can probably do another round of sucking, or you can now start using this cartridge and execute some deep cleaning process to further unclog this cartridge. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye.